G'day, how's it going? So today we've come out to do one of the most touristy things you can do in Bangkok. Long pants. And we're not enjoying it because it's 32 degrees. But we've just come out of exit 1 outside the Siam Museum. We got off the MRT at Sanam Chai MRT stop. We're going to head down there, straight down there, to the sorry, yeah. We're going to head straight down here to the Grand Palace. So today, this is the first time I've worn long pants in over a year. So today we're going to try and do the Grand Palace, maybe the reclining Buddha, and Wat Arun. So we'll go and jump on the boat and shoot across the Wat Arun. So let's go and have a look. But oh, look at all the tour buses already. It's 9 AM, 9:36. We were hoping to be here by 9. So let's go and find out what it's like. So it's 500 baht per person. And on the way in, Adele had her pants up about that far and she got told to put them down to the ankles. So don't wear your 3/4 pants, otherwise they won't let you in. Or just low ride them so they're down to your ankles. It's great fun when it's hot.
The statue here, that's
Destinado a de la y 200 millones. 200 millones de piedra. Y que la piedra, 2-3 seguidas de qué tamaño. Ah oui, non, c'est les reflets. Les reflets de l'or du bâtiment.
That little sweaty mess there.
I know, but it would be so much, yeah.
Man, it is so hot. So as you can see, we've just come out of the Grand Palace. There's an underground part there where you can cut through and go to the toilet. And we've got our shorts and singlets back on because it's just too hot. So we've decided not to go to the reclining Buddha, and we'll do Wat Arun probably late in the afternoon so we can see it light up sometime. So at the moment we're running the gauntlet with all the tuk-tuk drivers because they want to take us somewhere in their friendliest manner. So we'll leave this one here and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.